Hey, what's up everybody, it's your man, MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the world of Free Fire proxy servers. You might be wondering, what exactly are these things and why should I care? Well, stick around and I'll break it down for you. In the simplest terms, a Free Fire proxy server acts as an intermediary between your device and the Free Fire game servers. It's like having a secret handshake that allows you to bypass certain restrictions and access the game in a whole new way. Now you might be thinking, MKBHD, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as daunting as it seems. With a few simple steps, you can be up and running with a Free Fire proxy server and experience the benefits for yourself. So, let's jump right in and explore why you might want to consider using one. Alright, so let's talk about the why. Why would you want to use a Free Fire proxy server in the first place? This is a question that many gamers, especially those who are new to the concept, often ask. The idea of using a proxy server might seem a bit technical or even unnecessary at first glance, but there are actually several compelling reasons to consider it. Let's break it down. First and foremost, one of the primary reasons to use a Free Fire proxy server is to reduce lag. Lag can be a gamer's worst enemy, causing delays that can mean the difference between victory and defeat in a fast-paced game like Free Fire. Imagine you're in the middle of an intense firefight, and just as you're about to land the winning shot, your game freezes for a split second. That moment of lag can be incredibly frustrating and can ruin your gaming experience. By using a proxy server, you can route your connection through a server that's closer to the game server, which can significantly reduce lag and provide a smoother, more responsive gaming experience. But that's not all. Another major benefit of using a Free Fire proxy server is the ability to access geo-restricted content. In the world of online gaming, not all content is available to everyone, everywhere. Sometimes certain in-game events, items, or even the game itself might be restricted in your region. This can be particularly frustrating if you're eager to participate in a special event or get your hands on exclusive items that are only available in certain regions. A proxy server can help you bypass these restrictions by masking your IP address and making it appear as though you're accessing the game from a different location. This way, you can unlock a whole new world of Free Fire content that you might not have been able to access otherwise. And let's not forget about privacy and security. In today's digital age, online privacy is more important than ever. When you're gaming online, your IP address can be tracked, and your personal information can be at risk. Using a proxy server can enhance your privacy and security by masking your IP address, making it harder for others to track your online activity and potentially steal your personal information. This added layer of security can give you peace of mind knowing that your personal information is protected while you enjoy your gaming sessions. So in summary, using a Free Fire proxy server can provide several benefits, including reduced lag, access to geo-restricted content, and enhanced privacy and security. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive player, these advantages can significantly improve your overall gaming experience. So if you haven't considered using a proxy server for Free Fire yet, it might be time to give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Finally, using a proxy server can enhance your privacy and security while gaming online. It masks your IP address, making it harder for others to track your online activity and potentially steal your personal information. So the next time you find yourself frustrated with lag, restricted content, or concerns about online privacy, remember that a Free Fire proxy server could be the solution you're looking for. Give it a try and take your gaming experience to the next level. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about choosing the right proxy server for your needs. Selecting the right proxy server can make a significant difference in your online experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is best for you. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. Not all proxy servers are created equal, and there are a few key factors to consider before you hit that download button. It's important to understand that each proxy server has its own set of features, advantages, and limitations. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can ensure that you choose a proxy server that meets your specific needs and provides a seamless online experience. First and foremost, reliability is key. A reliable proxy server ensures that you have a stable and consistent connection, which is crucial for activities like online gaming or streaming, where interruptions can be particularly frustrating. Reliability also means that the server is available when you need it, without frequent downtimes or maintenance issues. You want a proxy server that's stable, consistently fast, and won't drop your connection in the middle of an intense match. Imagine being in the middle of a critical moment in a game, only to have your connection drop. This can be incredibly frustrating and can even cost you the game. A stable proxy server helps you avoid such scenarios by providing a reliable connection throughout your gaming session. Look for providers with positive reviews and a reputation for reliability. User reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability of a proxy server. By reading reviews from other users, you can get a sense of what to expect and make a more informed decision. Additionally, a provider with a good reputation is more likely to offer reliable and high-quality services. Speed is another crucial factor. A fast proxy server ensures that your online activities are smooth and uninterrupted. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, downloading large files, or playing online games, a high-speed connection is essential for a seamless experience. A slow proxy server will only worsen your lag issues, so make sure to choose one that offers high-speed connections and low latency. Lag can be a major issue, especially in online gaming where every millisecond counts. A proxy server with low latency ensures that your actions are registered quickly, providing a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. Ideally, you want a server that's geographically close to your location or to the Free Fire game server you're trying to connect to. The closer the server, the lower the latency, which translates to faster response times and a better overall experience. Lastly, security is paramount. In today's digital age, protecting your online privacy and data is more important than ever. Look for proxy servers that offer strong encryption and don't log your data. Encryption ensures that your data is secure and protected from potential threats. A proxy server that doesn't log your data provides an additional layer of privacy, ensuring that your online activities remain confidential. This will help protect your privacy and keep your online activities secure. By choosing a proxy server with strong security features, you can browse the web with peace of mind knowing that your data is safe from prying eyes. Remember, not all free proxy servers are safe, so it's essential to choose a reputable provider, even if it means paying a small fee for a premium service. Free proxy servers may seem like an attractive option, but they often come with limitations and potential security risks. Investing in a premium service can provide better performance, reliability, and security, making it a worthwhile investment for a better online experience. Section 4, Trusted Sources, where to download Free Fire proxy servers. Okay, so you're ready to download a Free Fire proxy server, but where do you find a trustworthy one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, always check if your VPN provider has a dedicated proxy server option. Many reputable VPN services offer this feature, and it's a great way to ensure you're getting a safe and reliable connection. If your VPN doesn't offer proxy servers or you're looking for a standalone option, there are a few trusted websites you can check out. Websites like proxysite.com, hide.me, and VPNbook offer free and premium proxy server options. Just remember, always do your research before downloading any software from the internet. Read reviews, check the provider's reputation, and make sure they offer strong security features like encryption and a no-logging policy. Section 5. Downloading your proxy server, a step-by-step guide. Downloading a Free Fire proxy server is usually a straightforward process. However, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything works smoothly. A proxy server can help you access restricted content, improve your online privacy, and even enhance your gaming experience. So, let's dive into the process. Here's a general guide to help you. First, choose a provider. There are many proxy server providers available online, each offering different features and benefits. Some are free, while others require a subscription. It's crucial to do your research and read reviews to find a provider that meets your needs. Based on your research and our recommendations, select a trustworthy provider. Second, select a plan. Providers often offer various plans, ranging from basic free options to more advanced paid plans with additional features. Consider what you need the proxy server for and choose a plan that fits your requirements. Many providers offer free and paid plans. Free plans are great for basic use, but they may have limitations such as slower speeds or fewer server locations. Paid plans usually offer better performance, more server options, and additional features like enhanced security and customer support. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Third, download. Once you've selected a plan, you'll need to download the proxy server software. This is typically a simple process. Just click the download button on the provider's website. Locate the download link for your chosen plan and operating system. Make sure you download the correct version for your device, whether it's Windows, Mac, or another operating system. Fourth, run the installer. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and run it. This will start the installation process. Fifth, follow the instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through the steps needed to install the proxy server software on your device. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the proxy server software. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, choosing an installation location, and possibly configuring some initial settings. Once the installation is complete, you'll likely need to configure the proxy server settings. This step is crucial to ensure the proxy server works correctly with your device and meets your specific needs. This usually involves choosing a server location and configuring your device or browser to use the proxy server. Different providers may have different configuration steps, so be sure to follow the instructions provided by your chosen provider. Most providers offer detailed instructions on their websites, so be sure to check those out if you need help. Additionally, many providers have customer support teams that can assist you if you run into any issues. By following these steps, you'll be able to download and set up your Free Fire proxy server with ease, enhancing your online experience.